Level 149. So let's see here. One of each bomb and a total of 15 bunnies, which means the sum of the numbers on the bombs will be 15. And look at the sums here, 58 and 58. And in the rows, we have one of each letter. And in the columns, we have one question mark. So since the sum of the letters is 15, the question mark has to have 15 walls, which means all of these are walls. And we have two separate zones. Now we see this bunny can only be hit by this bomb. These two can only be hit by this one. And this one cannot hit this bunny because then Y would be 3 and B would also be 3. And letters can't have equal values. So that means B must hit this bunny. And the one wall in this column must be somewhere here, ergo not here or here. And we can fill in the walls in this column here and here. Now let's see. This bunny can only be hit by this bomb. This bunny only by this one. And this bunny only by this bomb. And now we see this row has 3 empty spaces, which means the rest have to be walls. And now we see that these two bunnies can only be hit by this bomb. And also this column is gray. Now, X is currently 1. Could it possibly be 3? Well, no. Because then nothing can hit this bunny. And it can't be 2 because Y is 2 already. That means X has to be 1. So we need walls here and here. This bunny has to be hit by this bomb. And it can't hit any more because that would make A equal to 4. But B is 4 already. And that means N has to hit the last bunnies. And now we see all the bunnies are being hit. All the bombs have their targets. And all the letters have unique values. Now this column needs 2 walls. This column has one more wall, which has to be one of these two, which means the rest of the spaces are empty. This row can be filled in with walls. X is 1, and this X row has one wall already, which means the rest is empty. This column is gray. A equals 3, and we see this A row has 3 walls already, which means the rest is empty. We see we need a wall here, and Y, yes, Y equals 2. We know that. And since Y equals 2, the Y row has 2 walls already, which means the rest of the row is empty. This column is gray. This column is gray. This column has 12 walls, and with 3 empty spaces, that means the rest is walls. Now, this can't be empty and isolated, which means these two must be walls, and now this column is gray. This row is gray. This row is gray. This column has 6 non-walls, which means the rest must be walls. N equals 5, so this row, N, needs 2 more walls. Now these columns are gray. This row needs one more wall. And this column can be filled in with walls. This row is great. And this row needs two more walls, which are the final spaces.